Hello everybody and welcome back, and right now let us see how we can perform the persistence function or persistence option for our reverse shell. So first of all, let me just exit the shell from our previous video. We have our shell right here. We can delete this shell since we will use another one after we compile it. Let me just delete this. Okay, it doesn't want to delete yet, so we will delete it in just a few seconds. And right now what we want to do is we want to nano our reverse.shell, or pardon me, reverse_shell.py. Here we have everything we need for now on, and what we want to do right now is code the part where we will actually perform the persistent on target system. Now, before we do that, I want to introduce you to a certain part of Windows called the registry. Now, you can enter the registry in Windows by going to the search bar, typing in run, opening the run application, and typing in the run application regedit. Once you click on the regedit, you can click OK. It will prompt you for an administrator password since you're entering the registry editor. If you just specify yes, it will open up your registry. As we can see, the registry is basically the heart of Windows. Here we can actually create a registry key which will actually run our target, or pardon me, our backdoor on target every time the target boots up. So what we want to do is go to the, first of all, let me just put this is something that you will probably see once you open the registry for the first time. So we can see these 5 registry directories. We are currently interested in these two right here. One of them is the HKey current user and the other one is HKey local machine. Now, they both will be performing the same function for us. If we go to the HKey current user and make a registry key for our backdoor in that part, it will only run after the restart if the user logs into the same account. Now, if we copy it in the HKey local machine, it will run our backdoor no matter on which account the user logs in. For now on, since our target will run this on user account and we do not have the administrator privileges, even if we add the function to copy the or to make the registry key for our backdoor in the HKey local machine, we will not be able to do it since it requires administrative privileges. We can only make the persistence at the moment for our HKey current user. That means we can only make the persistence after the user logs in to the same account. So we will do that for now. If you go to the HKey current user, press on the arrow right here, go to the software. As we can see, you find the software right here. Press on the arrow down there, find the Microsoft, press there the arrow as well, scroll down. And what you want to find is the Windows, and in the Windows you want to find the current version. So let me just show you how that looks like. So you found the Microsoft, you pressed on the arrow, scroll down, found Windows right here, found the current version, and you want to find the run folder. Here all the registry keys are here for the files or programs that will run at the startup of the user login. So we can see we already have some such as CC Cleaner, OneDrive, Steam, and other default applications that most of us have on our PC. Now this is also some part of the PC where most of the viruses and backdoors will be if you have one. And this is also where we will actually install the registry key for our own backdoor. But we want to perform a smart thing, which is actually copying our backdoor first to some other directory where the user won't find it, and then putting the registry key to run the backdoor from that other directory. So for example, if the target closes our backdoor in the task manager, they can then delete the file simply. Now I'm not really sure why right now, probably because I didn't close it good. So let me just open my task manager so I can delete this reverse shell. Seems like the process is already running for some reason, which I'm not really sure why, but it doesn't really matter. We will just find it right here, close ending the task of it, and then we can now delete it. And this is how the user will also be able to delete it. So we want to make sure to copy the reverse shell right after they run it into some different directory, and then we want to create the registry key for that different directory. As you can see, the registry key is something like this. You perform the name and it will set the path to the program that you want to run. So for this program, for example, the path is C, program files, Gyazo, and then gystation.exe. This is the program that will run at startup every time I log into my Windows 10 account. So let's see how we can perform that. First of all, we want to implement two different libraries for Python. One of them is the OS library, which we will use for multiple things later on, and one of them is the sys library. Now, I will show you how you can perform all of that in the next video. For now on, I just wanted to explain what we will be doing, so that in the next video, when we actually code all of this, you don't get confused by what am I doing. So I will also explain in the next video every step I do, what exactly that means. So I hope I see you in the next video, and take care. Bye.